3 Bhutanese proverb used to comment on past, present, and future situation. Chu maum le yuwa, ni maum livindu. One who prepare the drain before the water flows and perform rituals before illness strikes. Everything is meticulously planned to prevent harm and ensure the best possible outcomes. The te algam da sanchusti. One who seeks the toilet only when one needs to relieve oneself, living spontaneously, embracing the present moment without worrying about the past or future. Lam jab til the santa. Dung jab til the batave. One who prepares offering smoke incense after the llama leaves. One who takes out the knife after the bear has left, fails to plan and respond to the demand of situation. Which Bhutanese proverb best describes you?
Like and subscribe for more video, please.